Ramji. So there's external characteristics of the yogi, and then there's internal characteristics of the yogi. So internal characteristics, which are called gauna vritti, are that one have unflinching conviction and devotion to the guru and the scriptures, the shastra and isa, the supreme. So these should be the qualities one should develop first. And then there are secondary qualities of the yogi. Is example this kind of external kindness, anugraha, mildness, santa, maitri, friendliness, and these kind of things. And Monday compassion, jivadoya. These are all secondary characteristics, and these should follow these primary ones. You can see the problem is with this. Today's like a self-made, this kind of pseudo yoga, that people are externally try to develop these secondary qualities and almost completely ignore these internal qualities, which means that that's how these external qualities of the yogi, they become impediments to yoga. And why is that? Because if one is developing only on these yoga, one takes yoga as a swavriddhi, which means that self-development techniques, one is just try to develop this kind of external compassion and kindness and neutrality and peacefulness. The problem is that like one also start to value these. One start to discern the people around oneself and the practice culture around oneself based on these secondary qualities. And that's how one lose the track. One cannot separate between the pravritti and nivritti, between the material and spiritual path, because one is judging it based on these external qualities. And that's why yoga should be started by developing these primary qualities. Okay? And how these primary qualities are bringing in the secondary qualities, it's called lakshana vritti, which means that one is having the being chaste and devoted to that mission of the guru, niyoga, and parampara seva. One stayed loyal to the teachings of the disciplic succession. So that's how these secondary qualities are developed from these primary qualities. But now, because people are just practicing yoga from an external perspective, and this is one dimension how it's practiced from the external perspective. One is developing these secondary qualities first. And because these are developed first, then it's very difficult to get back and start to develop these gauna vrittis, these primary qualities. And you can see it very, very much happening, like people are doing it, trying to climb to the tree upside down. Because of that, it becomes later very difficult to try to do things proper way. And you can see it's basically impossible for those who've been teaching yoga 10 to 20 years anymore get back to that proper path. Because of these secondary qualities has become basically impediments. Good has become enemy of the best. Ramji.